Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create Facebook video and sell it on different freelancing platform and charge good money. So let's go to Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is, so Fiverr is one of the top freelancing platforms where a skillful person or freelancers sell his services and a buyer bought his service and pay him. So it is a very good platform, you must try it. So we go to Fiverr and here I search Facebook video. So it show me 3870 services available. So it is a good niche to work on. So let's see, let's open one of the gig and analyze it. I will create Facebook video ads or promotional short video ads. So click on this and it will show us in the next window. Wait for a second. So in basic package he charged $100 and provides Facebook short video 15-second contact before ordering, custom video from scratch, full HD or 4K premium music stock videos. So its basic package is delivery time is 4 days and revision 3, and after that its standard package he charged $200 for 30-second Facebook video, and after that $300 for 60-second Facebook short video. So I will teach you how you can create this short video easily and without any technical knowledge. So let's go to Canva and here I will show you how you can create a beautiful and attractive Facebook video ad. So we go to Canva and here I search Facebook video. So it shows us different templates. I choose this one, 1080 by 1080. So I click on this and it will show us different Facebook templates. We select one of the template and we put the requirement of client and present the video. So we just create 15 seconds good video. So I click on create a blank Facebook video. So it appear in the next window and it will take some seconds to load on. So we will wait for some seconds. So it is loaded almost. Yeah. So let's suppose we want to create a video on food. So I write here in templates food. So it show us templates according to food. So I like this one, so I click on this and it is a 5-second video. I click on this video and it is loading. Let's see how it looks. Just wait for some seconds. So we click on play button and let's see how this ad show. Yeah, this is a very good short video ad. So we will customize this template according to our requirements. So first of all I would like to change the color of the text. I would like to do white color. No, it's not look good. Red, yes, it's look good. After that I would like to change the WhatsApp icon color in green. So it is green, and we would change the website name like burgersite.com. After that, if you want to change this image, so you can easily change this image. I want to choose another image of burger. So I write here burger, and it show me different photos. So I like this one. I select this image and click on edit photo and remove the background of this image. So I click on background remover, and it is the background of this burger is removed. And after that I reduce the size of the burger, and that's it. After that I would like to place this text here, here, and this text here. Here I write some other, if you want to write some other tagline you can change this also. So let's see how it play. So as you can see it look goods. So that's it. So you can create unlimited video ads in Canva very easily. You can see how we can just customize the template. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.